Yeah, once again, good afternoon to all. So today we are going to discuss about bitcoins. Already last session itself, we know what is Bitcoin, what is digital currency. Everything will be explained very clear. So let us move to the next topic: the goals with Bitcoin. What is the goal of Bitcoin? To create trustless system using cryptography method. Trustless system we cannot progress. So. Cryptography system network security authentication is safe and secure. Solve double spending problem of previous digital currencies. So what are all the issues faced in previous years? So that thing is going to be retained successfully in digital currencies. So it creates a digital assets that can be owned with proof of ownership, creating a currency from scratch. I hope you people know from beginning itself we are going to start the process. So here motivation, distrust of financial institutions, transaction cost. What is transaction cost? What is distrust? These things will be we can see into the next slide. So here, okay, let me move to the next slide. So in that it can be have some primary concerns. One is transaction security and double spends. Then distrust. These are all the major drawbacks of financial institutions of distrust. So transaction security. So while we are going to do transaction, securities plays a vital role. It's important to us. If security is not having that much sufficient, we cannot do any digital transactions. What is double spends? Sometimes due to the network issues and hanging connectivity issues, so it will have the progress to double time it will process. How means first you are going to transact some amount, it will be in process, but amount will be automatically debited from your bank account, but still in merchant side it is processing. It is the main cause of failure. Then again we are going to pay the same transaction. Then what it will happen? Within few minutes both transactions will be successful. So these are all the network disadvantages and issues. Then any non-cash transactions requires a trusted third party administrator, commonly a bank or financial service provider. The system forces participants to trust financial institutions that are not always trustworthy, because the network security is not that much good and sufficient. We cannot do the third party transactions through online payment. So further we need to first make successful trustworthy transactions and give the trusted confidence to the public users. That is called as hybrid blockchain model. So in the transaction security, two levels of verification. Source is legitimate, coins are legitimate. Source is legitimate, coins are legitimate. Apart from that, public and private key verification ensures the legitimacy. Double spends. If your money is just digital code, why not copy and paste to make more money? Timestamps, hashes. We are creating different blockchains, different hashes, different timestamps. So in this three, one by one we can see what is timestamp. Each transaction is packaged and publicly do the process to make a successful order carried out. It is called as timestamp, hash. Let me see in the slide. The time-stamped group of transactions are given by a unique algorithm derived number of bitcoins. So next thing, Bitcoin is the official first cryptocurrency that had been released in 2009. It is basically a digital currency and only exists electronically. Bitcoin is the first successful electronic cash system and coincidentally the first instance of a successful blockchain. Secure, trustless, borderless. So secure, trustless, borderless is the words. It's very, very important to each and every process. So no bank needed to authorize and process their transaction. Transactions are stored on a digital ledger. If we are going to do any fund transactions, automatically we are going to enter our ID and unique password to log into the particular merchant or bank account, and we are going to progress their operation. So at that time we receive a one-time password. That one-time password enter and we submit, automatically fund will be transferred to their third party's account. So this thing will be entirely stored and noted down in your distributed ledger. So this is the methodology Bitcoin is going to progress to the next level of cryptocurrency. So next class we will see what is cryptocurrency and what is how cryptocurrency is going to be stored in their distributed ledger. Thank you. Thanks for listening the session. Upcoming sessions we can see with a interesting new topic. Thank you.